In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monzo Flex virtual card in 2025. Monzo Flex lets you spread the cost of eligible purchases using a virtual card you can reveal in the app. It's designed for online checkouts and gives you flexibility to pay over time, with clear monthly repayments shown upfront. Availability and credit limits depend on eligibility checks, so what you see may vary, but the steps to use it are the same. First, you need a Monzo current account. If you're new, download the Monzo app and follow the prompts to open an account. You'll be asked for basic details and ID, and approval can be quick. Once your current account is set up, check the app to see if Monzo Flex is available to you. If it is, you'll get a Flex card space in the app alongside a credit limit. Next, open the Monzo app and head to the Home tab. Find the Flex card section and tap Reveal. This shows your virtual card number, expiry date, and security code. Treat these details like you would any physical card. Keep them private, and only enter them on trusted sites. If you often shop online, you can save the card in your browser or password manager for faster checkout, but make sure those tools are secured with strong authentication. When you're ready to buy something online, choose card payment at the checkout and enter the Flex virtual card details. Make sure the billing address matches your Monzo account to avoid declines. You may be prompted to verify the payment with a security check in the app. Approve it to proceed. This works just like paying with any other card, but the charge will land in your Flex card space. After the payment is approved, choose a repayment plan. Monzo Flex typically offers 3, 6, or 12 months. The app clearly shows your monthly amount and the total you'll pay, including any interest if it applies to your plan. Pick the timeline that suits your budget. You can usually pay off early without extra fees, which can reduce interest on longer plans. Check your upcoming due dates in the Flex section so you're never caught off guard. Finally, complete your purchase and watch for the confirmation in the Monzo app. You'll see the transaction under your Flex card along with the schedule of repayments. Notifications and reminders help you stay on track, and if you return an item, your plan will update once the refund hits. If anything looks off, use the in-app chat for support. That's it. Open your Monzo account, reveal your Flex card, use it online, pick a plan that fits, and complete your purchase with confidence.